Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to find the derivative of each term in this relation. So let me write this down, everything step by step. So I have derivative of y to the power 5 over 2 with respect to x plus the derivative of x to power 5 over 2 respect to x is equal derivative of the constant with respect to x. Okay, so I have 5 over 2 y, 5 over 2 minus 2 over 2 dy over dx plus 5 over 2, okay, because my constant is invisible 1, that's why I'm not writing constant. I'm copying down the exponent, and I have x 5 over 2 minus 1. Okay, remember we're supposed to use the fraction, and because the denominator is 2, I'm going to write 2. 2 over 2 is equal 1 dx over dx. Derivative of constant is equal 0. Next, I have 5 over 2 y 3 over 2 dy over dx plus 5 over 2 x 3 over 2 dx over dx is equal 1. I'm not going to write it. Is equal 0. I'm looking for dx. That's why I'm going to move this term to the right side of the equal sign. So I have 5 over 2 y 3 over 2 dy over dx is equal negative 5 over 2x 3 over 2. Next, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by 5 over 2 y 3 over 2. So I have 5 over 2 y 3 over 2. Okay, so 5 over 2 and 5 over 2 will cancel out, and we'll end up with negative x 3 over 2 divided by y 3 over 2. You can rewrite this as negative x over y to the third power, right? And everything is raised to power 1/2, or other words, we can say this is equal negative square root of x over y to the third power. And this is my solution to this problem, but don't forget that y must be different than 0. Okay?